Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm Zoe Kim, and I'm a seventh grader in the Harbor School. This is my state. This is a part of the station of the apothecaries. I am writing and helping registering the people who get sick and telling them if they got cured or not cured.
There's one good side and one bad side of the apothecary. One is actually meant to heal you, and one is actually meant to just give you a treatment without.
Instead of using real medication, Miss Wilma decided to give us some Japanese candies, and some of them are crushed up. Originally, we were putting them in test tubes and bottles, but we ran out of those, so we're just passing them out.
Hello, I'm a merchant, and at the station, I'm selling different spices. So as a merchant, I travel to different countries, and then I find my products there, and I bring them back to sell them. So basically, you get this string called a wick, and then you dip it in some melted wax, and you keep on dipping until it forms thick layers. It becomes like a candle.
My name is Hugo. I'm the Lord's nephew. My job is to be a scribe, and I write down books, copy down manuscripts and stuff. Yeah. And the reason we're important scribes is because if there was if somehow a book was destroyed or something, that information would be lost forever without a copy. And our desk were actually tilted 45 degrees, like a lectern, and then it could help the ink go down on the parchment.
Thomas is a herbalist, so we sell herbs. And what is herbalist, you will ask? Herbalist is giving patient herbs. It looks same like a doctor.